Hello and welcome back to the Smarty Peeps. I'm going to review and do the unboxing of the March 2022 release Huawei Nova 9 SE smartphone. So let's move on to the specifications that make it special. There are 6 reasons to buy Huawei Nova 9 SE. 108 megapixel high-resolution photography. 66-watt Huawei Supercharge. 6.78-inch Huawei full-view display. Ultra-narrow bezel, ultra-thin body. Creative vlog experience. Me Time video calls. Explore it on App Gallery. Enjoy a wide range of apps in the Huawei App Gallery, and you can still use the Google Play Store app. 108 MP high-resolution camera system. f/1.9 aperture 1.52-inch sensor 2.1 m9 and 1 fusion pixels. Macro. 4 cm short shooting distance 2 MP f/2.4 aperture. Depth. 2 MP f/2.4 aperture. Wide. 8 MP f/2.2 aperture 112 degrees super wide angle. Huawei Nova 9 SE has your back with tech. 66-watt Huawei Supercharge technology can charge your phone in a short time. A coffee break is all you'll need to refuel body, mind, and phone. Huawei Nova 9 SE features a graphene heat dissipation system in a sandwich-like architecture that's capable of sensing and cooling down overheated areas more quickly, so that your favorite shows and games are never too hot to handle. What's in the box? Supercharger. USB Type-C digital headset. USB Type-C cable. Eject tool. Quick start guide. TPU protective case. Smartphone. TP protective film. Let's do the unboxing. As mentioned before, in the box you will find the same stuff. Crystal blue color and it's very shiny. Let's turn on the shiny mobile. Let's do some initial setup to run the mobile. Let's check the camera setup, picture quality and lens aging. Let's check the G-Space, where you can download the Google Play Store apps and it provides separate setup for Android apps. After download, you need to provide application level permission to Android apps to run smoothly. Initially I faced the problem. I purchased this mobile for my wife and in the start it's a pain. I have to install all the applications she wanted to use in. There are some built-in apps for you to use, but who are using WhatsApp's having a lot of issues because there is conflict using both Huawei and Android WhatsApp. Issues in sharing Android media files, also in receiving it. My wife used to it, but still she is complaining about the mobile applications and want to have Android mobile. Also it comes in 3 colors: Midnight Black, Pearl White, Crystal Blue. Thanks for watch. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Presented by Smarty Peeps.